Hi everybody, welcome back to HCCTV Remote Report. As you probably noticed, I'm not wearing what I usually wear, but that's because today we're talking about meditation. A student has showed that meditation can help you with stress, anxiety, so I think this is perfect for this moment. So staying home sometimes is really difficult because we get really anxious because we feel like we need to do something. So meditation can definitely help in that aspect. And that's the reason why I would recommend you doing it in the morning. Another thing, this video is not going to be a tutorial on how to meditate, but I will give you the sources that you need to start doing it. So let's talk about my favorite apps. There's Headspace, which will give you free lessons, especially at this moment because of the coronavirus. We also have the 21-day meditation that you can find on the Apple Store. Or you can even look for podcasts on Spotify. Or you can just go to YouTube and search. So now, let me give you some tips before you start. First of all, make sure you find like a quiet place to sit down in your house. And if you don't have carpet, you have hardwood, maybe you need a mat like this, or even a pillow is definitely gonna help. Second, you probably see a lot of people meditating like this. This is the position that most people do, but if you're starting right now, you may feel your back hurting, especially if you don't have discipline. So I'll recommend you putting like a pillow in the back so you can be more comfortable, and even a second one if you want, like this. So you can literally feel like relaxed and comfortable, and you can get a deep breath. And if you, for some reason it's too noisy, just get your headphones, especially because you're gonna be watching a video or a podcast about meditation, so you're definitely gonna be able to hear better with this. So just put your headphones and just go with it. I promise you, after you start doing that, you're gonna notice some difference on your habits, the way you concentrate, and even the way you take your day. Well, for today is that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.